Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a transparent start menu in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Google Chrome and search WINDHAWK and select the first link. Select the download option and download this program. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After the installation done, you just need to open it guys. In my case, I already installed this program. And now you just need to select this explore tab and select this details option under Windows 11 start menu styler. And now scroll down. As you can see over here, there is a transparent start menu. And now select the install option and select the accept risk and install. This is verified through Twitter and GitHub. Select the accept risk and install. After getting installed done, select the settings tab and scroll down. Under theme, you just need to click on this drop down and select the transparent start menu and select the save changes option. And now select the start menu, and as you can see my start menu is transparent, and that's how you can make a transparent start menu in Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.